Forget diesel. This is lithium-ion done differently. Onboard charging, anywhere there's power. Sure, it's zero emissions, but that's not why it matters. It matters because it performs like this. Rain or shine, the job doesn't stop. Built to operate like a diesel, the L25XE delivers real outdoor performance, even in the toughest conditions. With IP54 rated motor and battery, IP67 controller protection, this forklift is engineered to handle the elements like a diesel could. But with a difference. Lithium-ion power. Zero emissions, no compromise. From wet concrete to uneven gravel, keeps moving. Large IC style tyres, 28% gradability, and a ramp hold function ensure traction, control, and confidence. Built on a proven diesel platform, it delivers familiar capability in an electric machine. Powerful acceleration, immediate torque, up to 19 km/h travel speed, just like diesel. Because performance shouldn't stop just because it's electric. CLARK L25XE crossover series. Lithium-powered diesel performance. CLARK, the first name in forklifts.